Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my old clothes into trendy outfits that are totally Instagram-worthy. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Are you ready to breathe new life into your wardrobe? In today's video, we're diving into the world of DIY fashion by transforming old clothes into trendy new pieces. Whether you want to upcycle your favorite t-shirt, turn jeans into a stylish bag, or create unique accessories, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Project 1. Shirt to tote bag. For our first project, we'll turn an old t-shirt into a trendy tote bag. You'll need an old t-shirt, scissors, and either a sewing machine or needle and thread. Start by cutting off the sleeves and neckline of the t-shirt. This will create the opening for your tote bag. Next, turn the shirt inside out and sew across the bottom to close it up. You can also add a decorative stitch for extra flair. Turn the bag right side out and you have a stylish tote. Perfect for groceries, books, or a day out. Project 2. Jeans to stylish shorts. Next, we'll transform an old pair of jeans into stylish shorts. You'll need old jeans, scissors, and fabric fray check. Put on the jeans and determine how short you want them. Mark the desired length with chalk, then cut the jeans to your preferred length. To prevent fraying, apply fabric fray check along the cut edges. This will give your shorts a polished look. These shorts can be styled with a cute top and sandals for a perfect summer outfit. Project 3. Sweater to cozy pillow cover. For our next project, we'll turn an old sweater into a cozy pillow cover. You'll need an old sweater, a pillow insert, scissors, and either a sewing machine or needle and thread. Cut the sweater into 2 pieces large enough to cover your pillow insert. Make sure to leave extra fabric for seams. Place the 2 pieces right sides together and sew around the edges, leaving one side open for the pillow insert. Turn the cover right side out, insert the pillow, and sew the open side closed. You now have a cozy, unique pillow for your home. Project 4. Scarf to headband. Next, we'll create a stylish headband from an old scarf. You'll need an old scarf, scissors, and either a sewing machine or needle and thread. Cut a section of the scarf that's about 4 to 6 inches wide and long enough to wrap around your head. Fold the scarf in half lengthwise and sew the edges together, leaving the ends open. You can add elastic for a snug fit. This headband is perfect for adding a pop of color to your outfit and can be styled in various ways. Project 5. T-shirt to DIY scrunchies. For our final project, we'll make cute scrunchies from an old t-shirt. You'll need an old t-shirt, scissors, an elastic band, and either a sewing machine or needle and thread. Cut the t-shirt into strips about 3 inches wide and 20 inches long. This will give you enough fabric to create a scrunchie. Sew the strips together to form a tube, then turn it right side out. Insert the elastic band and sew the ends together. These scrunchies are not only functional but also a fun way to use up old t-shirts. Now, one of my favorite techniques for upcycling old clothes is cutting. It's amazing what a simple cut can do to transform a garment. You can cut off sleeves, shorten hems, or even create a whole new silhouette. And the best part is, it's easy. All you need is a pair of scissors and some courage to take the first cut. I also love dyeing, which is a great way to give old clothes a fresh new look. You can use natural dyes like turmeric or coffee, or even experiment with shibori, a Japanese technique that creates unique patterns. Let's take a look at some examples of outfits I've created from old garments. This old dress, for example, was transformed into a trendy pair of shorts, with a simple cut and hem. And this t-shirt was turned into a stylish headband, with a bit of folding and tying. The possibilities are truly endless, and I hope these examples inspire you to start experimenting with your own upcycling projects. Now, let's take a closer look at one of my favorite transformations. I took an old sundress and turned it into a stunning pair of culottes. The before and after visuals are truly breathtaking, and I'm so excited to share the process with you. The first step was to cut off the top portion of the dress and reshape the silhouette to create a flowy wide-leg pant. Then I added some bold, bright fabric to create a fun, eye-catching stripe. The result is a one-of-a-kind piece that's both stylish and sustainable. By upcycling our old clothes, we're not only reducing waste, but we're also tapping into our own creativity and style. We're taking something old and making it new again, and that's a beautiful thing. So, I hope you've been inspired by the techniques we've explored today, and that you'll start experimenting with your own upcycling projects. Thank you for joining us for these DIY clothing transformations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas. What DIY projects are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.